me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumade we eye Nkuranhyensem bre. Na me amete dwam a me dwumade ho chia me. Edi am yeso eye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu. What to say? I believe every one of us wants to make a breakthrough. See a better team. Abraba ebo e ba na ya wade ye sika sam ya pomodne ye nyuma so see a better team na ya adefo. But it's not easy. One gentleman called in my office just last week, Monday. And before I could offer him a seat, he took his seat. And without even asking him anything, he said, "Sir," in a very low voice, "Sir, I'm tired of life." Abrante bi ura my office na sintem. Oba kwa wanchia. Mama na konwa otra se na o se miura. Abrabo ma bide. Na me bisa that day. I started to say, "Oh, can say I've come to a point in my life where I feel that nothing is working for me. Everything seemed to go wrong with my life. I struggle to start anything new for fear that I might not succeed. I am currently abusing alcohol and I'm having sleepless nights. Also, somebody I'm not say there. And Sunday, my family young Sammy Monsani and Empomeko demo am intiminda. The community crown say, Waba Nabu Bra, bear and fear a dunie. The woman of my life just left my home and got married to my own best friend. Yes. Or some me yere am neto in fear dunie, ye won kwadami would a jammy ayaya esan sabro any suba me womuntino. Ako ware madam for me. My car was one mebium. Somebody my imagine say, Abrabo asu nimfa sobium. Said the Ekoyana Mekono. You see, many of us get to this point in this man's life. You will be any do baby do. But I want to assure you, say, so person when ni Abrabom, so person who tumpon, so person who day no, a ye su out on your medable war. Everyone wants to enjoy a life of greatness and success because it's now DNA. Abraboya mo bi so medi hia medi awerewo amedi nkuguo ye bo wo no hihye de hihye wo no ye de ye osesebe wafa ba bi obedi nkunim wafa ba bi benya yedie na empo waye o mama aso watra se adwene ho pen etwa mfoni se wo waye o mama watra se adwene ho pen ebisan se kwan ben so na befa so adi nkunim na ede akura na se meyo na me so metitim abrabom baby amanfo adu no se me du ho atwamu so person otitimu you see creating a breakthrough refers to taking steps that will help you to move away from the valley of life to the mountain top of glory and honor. E kaso obi atitimu a yes who free sabe amena donkom afro akomepo a enemunyam ene empo enegye waso to move from sameness to a different area. So we free baby awo ye another day. No come pempenso amanfo betwa ni ahwe say eh kwadwo na ebe ama na do hey ye mo se ma no. To be able to say you have made it in life and you have made positive changes in your life and progress in your life is beyond what you are thinking right now. Nya pesa wo ye bia. Nya pesa baby o pesa wo du bia no. A chain ni awodwena ho ndede. Indeed, once you wish for a change, once you want to be great, the first thing you need to know is that there's no magic to instantly fixing everything in your life. Ekonyambi eni wa abaye sampa bo nyankopon boami o hey nyankopon atonsu agu so ne se enenko be your mama se enenko be your defo debi se be your defo se be your mama so be nkunim fatiti ne ejina wawo so awari ebedimu awari ebe efe awari ebedi ye no fatiti na ekura wonsam sempo obedi nkunim no ayi no ekura wo we na mame kai asem bia me kai na twere konkromu Numbers chapter 13 verse 1 to 33 So we Christian ye Christian ade cover Bible na bi Numbers o kira me se onyankopon ni Moses kasae se won soma mema enko kuro bi so na se won ko tete kuro no hwe kuro no so se de kuro no so te anso akofa kuro no namum na Moses epa mema dodo se won enko na won ko hwe kuro no se de kuro no mo te na odu kuro mo na wo baaye no amane ebo no chemu mienu dodo na ka se owura Moses mema ekoto ho no so mo so mo nie atentian gram ya de ayesa bebe o nanim ene mema mienu ka se da bi yebeti wom yebeti mabunka mo so wonu adwene a wodwene no ene tumidi a wonya obi se ni atome no me de me nko school da de atome no se me ho nye fe de atome me nya politician me moa me de atome no me nyo boafo de atome na din eso se mankasa eye ntro obi so se de atome no me wotumi wo nyansa metimi ede animu. How you describe your circumstances will define your attitude towards the circumstance. Dio, you, what dear, not to say, I'm able to. If you define your circumstances as challenges that you are able to overcome, indeed, you have the wherewithal to deal with it. And then the American say, to make a breakthrough in your life, to climb the ladder of success and greatness, it's not by a magical ones or easy road. It depends on how you describe your circumstance right now. Kwambe nso na ofra warrior. Kwambe nso na ofra brabo. Ene be kire kwa befa so ape eduro ama brabo ayemre. Aha ana meja wo. Meja wo na kai se me no kai Bible na asem. Numbers chapter 13 verse 1 to 33. Ko kan na be hunu nsem a me kan wo no. Me ka se de kama minti. Numbers chapter 13 1 to 33. Ebe kan sa abakwasam na kire wo. Se de onipa hu fa no. Sana ubetimi akabrabo afa aha na meja wo na mede na ase ama wo se onya mre ehwemie me da eja Webek ampedu ase na bada Sarah na Thomas ase se woni bo machidom e produce ye me gina camera ho na me da eja Jonas na mada wampo osmosis ase se wonyina e kabo mu ne Adom adwumayefo nyinara onyame nhira obia onya mre hwe me de woni onyame entina.